Unlock a world of decentralized trading directly from your Safepal wallet today. We're diving into how to use Uniswap through Safepal. First, open your Safepal app and navigate to the DApp browser section. This is usually represented by an icon that looks like a globe or a compass tap on it. Within the DApp browser, you'll see an option for WalletConnect. This is your gateway to connecting your wallet to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. Tap on WalletConnect. On your computer or another device where you've accessed the Uniswap website, you'll find a QR code in your Safepal app. Select the option to scan this QR code. With your wallet, point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your other device. Once scanned successfully, your Safepal wallet will be securely connected to Uniswap. You'll see a confirmation within the Safepal app indicating the connection is active. Now, on the Uniswap interface, you can browse through the available token pairs, select the cryptocurrency you want to trade from, and the cryptocurrency you want to trade to. For example, you might choose to swap ETH for DAI. Enter the amount of the first cryptocurrency you wish to swap. Uniswap will then automatically display the estimated amount of the second cryptocurrency you will receive. Based on current market rates, review these details carefully. When you're ready to proceed, tap on the Swap button on the Uniswap interface. Your Safepal wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction, review the transaction details, including gas fees, and then approve it within the Safepal app. And that's it. Your swap is now being processed on the blockchain. You've successfully used Uniswap directly from your Safepal wallet, participating in DeFi without any intermediaries.